Chafetz Chaim says in the Chovat HaShmirah in chapter 6 that a person that guards their tongue is using the most effective cure for all illnesses that a person can have. You have a physical problem, your body hurts, your head hurts, whatever body part, some type of illness that you have, Chafetz Chaim signs off his name. You want a cure? Be quiet. Be quiet. How much? As much as possible. How much as possible? If it's not Torah, don't talk. That's the best cure. That's like cure for cancer. That's how great it can be. Now, of course, a person says, oh, I'm going to try, I'm going to do it, and 3 minutes later they fail. And not only they fail, they start saying nonsense. So a person needs to understand the ramifications of talking nonsense. We cannot just say that something is good. We cannot even just say that you will get a reward for it. Because the most inspiring tool that HaKadosh Baruch Hu put into creation is fear. And the person is inspired by fear more than he is by anything else. Fear of loneliness, fear of poverty, fear of hunger, fear of punishment of other kinds. There's all types of fears that a person has. The only fear that is permissible is the fear of the Almighty. But that does not come to us naturally. Rabbi Yisrael Misalan says that's the one fear that you have to work your whole life on acquiring. Everything else in reality is forbidden. But nonetheless, if a person fears speaking idle words, speaking things that are not just wrong, but simply a waste of time, that person is going to have the pasuk of who is a man who desires life and loves days be fulfilled. They'll have a longer life. They'll have a better life.